I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the best little cute sidekick that you can find for your living room? Check out this really awesome table that I have. This is by BTSXZCZ, and it is the perfect side companion so that I can have a seat and have a space to place my glasses, my drinks, a notebook, even my computer. The table was really easy to put together. It literally took me less than 5 minutes. And once you have it together, it's nice and sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's wobbly at all, and it stays locked in place at the height that you want. And it's fully adjustable, so if that height is not working for you, you can even lower it down. It's a really slim side table, so you could put this in a really small space on the side of your sofa or on the side of a chair. I really like that the table is nice and basic and simple. It doesn't even show when you walk into the room, but it really provides so much assistance when I'm having a seat. The table holds up to 50 pounds, and you can also put the table side top side up, which is completely flat, or it has a lip, which I prefer, so that nothing will slide off. This table is perfect where I already have a little bit of clutter in my space, but I still needed something that would hold all of my drinks when I'm having a seat. If you're looking for something super cute that will be your little friend when you're getting time to rest, check it out. But that's just my point of view.